Hello, my name is Yuki Morishima, and I'm the Associate Curator of Japanese Art at the Asian Art Museum. Today, I'll share an artifact on a bamboo artwork titled Disappear by Tanabe Chikunsai IV. Deceptively simple-looking, Disappear is a technically challenging work with complex rotations determined by a mathematical algorithm. Standing nearly 3 feet tall, this object is made of thin bamboo strips. It is the 12th work from his Disappear series. Based in Sakai, Japan, Chikunsai IV is highly regarded for his mastery of traditional techniques and his integration of innovative vision in creating both colossal site-specific installations, such as this work, Connection, installed at the Asian Art Museum in 2019, as well as smaller sculptural works such as Disappear. While his family tradition continues to be an integral part of his identity as an artist, he constantly looks for new ways to present bamboo. For the Disappear series, he collaborated with Harvard architecture professor Sawako Kaijima, who is known for her interdisciplinary approach integrating computational design. After months of experiment, they created new computer-aided designs to construct bamboo sculptures. Professor Kaijima developed a computational design and made numerous small resin molds with a 3D printer to create the works in the Disappear series. Chikunsai then employed bamboo weaving techniques and inserted bamboo strips between the mold pieces, which were removed to reveal complex forms. These forms are dynamic and previously unattainable by using traditional techniques alone. The artist explains it's a fusion of technology and traditional decorative art. Chikunsai's Disappear will be on view from May 13th until January 17th. Thank you for watching this artifact from the Asian Art Museum.